Can somebody please tell me what are our Zoom rules? Quickly, what are our Zoom rules?
Ma'am, unmute yourself.
Unmute when you're talking, yes.
Message, raise hand.
Raise hand. Yes.
Keep that.
Awesome.
Tell
Awesome.
them, ma'am, and the message.
And
Text.
message. And you should constantly use the chat, keep giving reactions. Okay, so as you know, today, who's coming into our class? Who's coming to our class today?
Ma'am,
Tejas sir.
Yes, Tejas sir is going to
Tejas
come
sir.
to our class. Okay, so I don't know, he may come now, he may not come, he may just watch the recording, but he's going to see who all are in class. Okay, so if you drop off, please try and come back. Okay, I don't want people just dropping off and then not showing up. Okay, I can see that there are almost 28, 29 people in the class. I don't want this number to fall. Okay, as you know, I can see on Zoom for how many minutes who is there. So if you are not attending the class for long, I cannot give you attendance. Okay, if this is clear, can I get a thumbs up? And if people can, please turn your videos on. Thank you, Divya, for doing that. Thank you. I'm getting 12, 13 thumbs ups. Thank you. Good. Thank you. Thank you, Sudarshan. It's so nice to see Divya and Sudarshan. Okay, what are our values? Raise your hand if you want to answer. What are our values?
Growth mindset.
Growth mindset, beautiful, Chitra.
Collaboration.
Collaboration, beautiful. Noor? Noor?
That's only collaboration.
Collaboration, growth mindset. What's the first one? Rohit? Who remembers?
Be productive and organized.
Beautiful. Can everyone please
Yes,
celebrate
ma'am.
for Ashma, Tejaswini, and I forgot who else answered. But can everyone please celebrate for everybody who answered? Good job. Good job, guys. Okay, so these are our values. Let's make sure that we practice them every single day. Okay. Okay, can we please celebrate for these people, especially for Anal? Anal is not here today because her brother has class. But can we please, please, please celebrate for all these people, especially Anal, Chitra, Chaitra, and Noor and Rahul. Anal has submitted all 3 homeworks that we had today. Chitra, Chaitra, Noor, Rahul have submitted at least 2 homeworks. Okay. I think Chitra gave me like half homework. Okay.
I submitted all homework.
No, yesterday's homework who will give? Yesterday, day before's homework. I gave no Thursday's homework that I said do on Friday as well because nobody had done it. Okay, so only these 5 people are kind of doing stuff. What happened to everyone else? Abu, Arsha, Esther, Avezia, Basama, Likita, Prajwal, Raghu, Rekha, Suhail Pasha, Mustafa, Varun, Zabi, Divya, Rohit. You all give me your test. But what about homework? Guys, growth mindset. We're in grade 9 now. Okay, if you don't do your homework properly, and if I don't see where you're making mistakes, we're not going to learn. You said you want more practice, but you are not practicing. Okay, I will correct. So all the Google forms, I will release the scores when I have more people submit. I don't want to release the scores other than that. And by Monday, I know Rahul has sent me a lot of stuff. I know Noor has sent me a couple of things. I know Chitra, Chaitra have sent me. I will correct that and send it back to you. And on Wednesday, I will give you back your tests. I've already started correcting it. Arsha, I've not seen your second homework. Rahul, yes, you have not sent me yesterday's homework, Rahul. No, Rahul, you've sent me yesterday's homework. You have not done Monday's homework, okay, which is a Google form. I will reshare all the homeworks and I want you all to do it. All right. Can I get a thumbs up if this is clear? And people who've not even submitted one, don't talk to me. I'm just not going to help you. I will not do your recharge and I will not help you. That's it. Okay, if you're not going to help yourself, I'm not going to be able to help you. Okay? People who I can see who have not done, Madan, Anita, Ashma. Can I hear a yes from you all? Can I hear a yes from you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
It's really simple, guys. You just have to get into the habit of doing it. Okay? Great. Okay, let's do a pop quiz. So the way I'm going to do it is, I know last time it worked really well. Guys, pop means like it's a surprise quiz, but it also needs to be really, really quick. Okay, so I'm going to note down your names of everyone who's kind of answered. Okay, I want you to type on chat to me directly, just like we do in our revision classes. Okay, because what we're going to study today is actually based on a lot of things we've done in the last week or in this week. Okay, so let's start our pop quiz quickly. I don't want to spend more than 5 minutes on this. First, quickly type on chat. Give me an example of 3 integers. Type any 3 integers that you can see, that you can think of. 3 integers. Type on direct chat. 3 integers. Quickly.
Ma'am, what?
Thank you, Noor. Noor has typed 9. Thank you, Noor. More. 3 integers. Give me examples of 3 integers. Quickly. I want to see more people answer. Thank you, Noor. Divya, 4. Love it. Give me some different types of integers. -5. Love it, Divya. More, guys. More people to answer. Great, Noor. Great, Basama. Very good, Divya. Divya said 0. Afnan is saying 7. Beautiful. More. -3, -1. Love it, Anita. Thank you. Thank you, Rohit. 7. Thank you, Chitra. -1. Great. So I'm going to ask Rohit. Okay, Rohit or Nikat. Nikat has said 9. Beautiful. Sudarshan, 0. Love it. Guys, what are integers? Let's quickly revise. What are integers?
Minus
Ma'am,
and plus.
0 plus and minus negative is joint is called
All
integer.
integers. Rahul is also saying -1, -2, -9, -5, -2. Tejaswini, love it. So yes, is
Negative, positive, and 0.
and 0, right? Okay, that's absolutely right. Is -1.5 an integer? It's a minus number, but is it an integer?
No.
No. Why, Noor? Why, Noor?
Ma'am,
No.
point is there.
Have
Ma'am, because there is
Point is
decimal.
not there. Absolutely right, right? So you can't have fractions and decimals. Whole minus numbers, whole plus numbers, and zeros are integers. Amazing. My class knows this. I'm proud of you all. What are rational numbers? Somebody come off mute and tell me. What are rational
Ma'am,
numbers?
starting with 1.
Rational numbers start with 1. Are you sure?
Yesterday video I saw
Ma'am, it has
rational
fraction.
numbers are that
Basama, I want to hear
which
from you.
cannot
1 by 2.
1 by 2 is a rational number. Chitra is giving me an example. Basama, if Basama can't answer, then Noor. What is a rational number? Give me the definition of a rational number.
Ma'am, P by Q.
Basama is trying to answer. 3 by 2 is a rational number. That is right. Tell me the definition of a rational number.
Ma'am, that's fraction.
Yes, you can write it as. Okay, Basama is answering. Wait, guys. Basama is answering. Yes, I can write it as a fraction P by Q. And Afnan, what is the condition? Very good, Guru Raj.
Ma'am, Q will not be 0.
Q is not 0.
Ma'am, denominator cannot be 0.
Guys, you all are making me so happy. So many people want to answer. Guru Raj is answering. Chitra is answering. Divya is answering. Noor, Anita, Afnan, Basama. Very good, guys. Amazing. Okay. Everyone who's not answering, I hope you are observing. Okay. I'm going to ask now, all of you type on chat. I want to give everyone a chance to answer. Is 5.6 by 10 a rational number? Just type yes or no. Type to me directly on chat. I want to see how you guys are feeling. Is 5.6 okay? Chitra has said no. Noor has said yes. Arshia has said yes. I love that there are diverse opinions. Anita is saying yes. Divya is saying yes. Okay. Most people are saying yes. Praju Zabi are saying yes. Madan is saying yes. Rohit is saying yes. Okay. A lot of people are saying yes. Okay. Only Chitra has said no. I love that. So I'm going to ask Rohit. Rohit or Madan. One of you come off mute and tell me, why did you say yes? Why did you say yes? Rohit or Madan, quickly. This is a rapid pop quiz.
Ma'am, can I say why I said no?
Afnan is also saying no. Okay, Chitra, I'm going to ask you later. Rahul, Nikat, Rohit, Madan, Prajwal, Zabi. Somebody tell me, why did you say yes? Why did you say yes?
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Divya, you've already answered. Yeah, I want to give someone else a chance. Arshia, why did you say yes? Anita, why did you say yes? Afnan, Guru Raj are saying no. I'm going to ask Basama, why did you say yes?
Because in rational numbers, we can also put a decimal.
Okay, Basama is saying we can put decimal. Noor is saying no. Chitra, why
No,
did you
ma'am.
say no? Chitra, why did you say no?
Ma'am, in rational number, no have decimal, ma'am.
Yes, that's absolutely right. Okay. So in rational numbers, please, guys, I know this was a doubt you had, which is why I gave you this pop quiz. Rational numbers, P and Q need to be integers, right? P and Q need to be integers. And Divya, you yourself said that P, okay, or an integer is not a decimal. We should not have a point. Okay. So please remember, P and Q need to be integers. How can we convert this into an integer? We can do something. And we did that yesterday.
10.
Yes, what will I do with 10? I'll just write 10.
Ma'am, 5.6 into 10.
Into 10. Beautiful, Rahul. Yes. So what will this answer be? What will this be? 5.6. How can I convert that?
56.
56. Why? What will my denominator be now?
Ma'am,
10.
10.
100.
No,
100. Good job. Okay, if I'm multiplying the numerator, I have to multiply the denominator. Guys, you all are making me so happy today. I did not sleep properly, but I'm like so fresh because you guys are so engaged. Amazing. Okay, can somebody, not somebody, everybody type on chat. Give me an example of a terminating decimal. Quickly.
No.
Give me an example of a terminating decimal. Give me an example of a
Okay.
terminating decimal. Not okay. Type on chat. I want to see the chat buzzing, guys. 0.56 of Nan is saying 9. Okay, 9. But try and give me a decimal form so I know what you mean, Divya. 0.32. Thank you. 2.1. Lovely. 1.909090. Noor, think about your answer. 8.876. 0.29.5. Love it, Fatima. I love that you are engaging on chat. 2.5. Love to hear from you, Ashma. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, Anita. Thank you, Madan. Thank you, Afnan, Divya, Rohit, Chitra. Okay. I'm going to ask Afnan. Afnan, can you tell us what is a terminating decimal? What does terminating mean? What does
Ma'am, which is ending.
Yes, beautiful. Can everyone please celebrate for Afnan? I want to see celebration icons. Celebration icons. Noor, I want to ask you, okay, because you gave me an interesting answer. Does your decimal end? You've put dot, no? Does it end, your decimal?
No, ma'am, it not
No.
end.
So terminating
it is
means what?
repeating terminate.
Yes. No, repeating is non-terminating. It does not end. Okay, we are talking about a decimal that ends. There is a definite end to it. So examples like people gave me 0.56, 0.256. All of these are terminating. They end. Okay, Noor, is that clear? Everyone else mostly got it. Thank you, Guru Raj. Yes, Noor, now you gave me the
Yes.
correct answer, 0.45. Okay. Now, I want you to type on chat. What are the two types of non-terminating? So non-terminating means, what does non-terminating mean? If terminating means end, what will not?
Which keeps repeating.
Keeps repeating. It does
It's
not keep
never
repeating, but
ends.
doesn't end. Okay. What are the two types of non-terminating? Yes, Basama has given me an example of non-terminating. So is Chitra. So is Afnan. Love it. But what are the two types? What are the two types of non-terminating? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, you got it. Say it, Divya. Go for it.
recurring.
Or repeating. Yes, so all of you are actually giving me examples of recurring other than Ashma. Okay, everyone else is giving me an example of recurring. Like Rahul is saying 0.23.
Non-terminating means
Yes, hi Bharat. Okay, so all of you, 1 second, Shabaz is calling. Shabaz, join class quickly. Okay, yes. So there is non-repeating. Thank you, Tejaswini. Everyone, please celebrate for Tejaswini, Divya, and Basama. So there is repeating, okay, which means that it doesn't end, but it keeps repeating. It's like 0.55555555. A lot of you have said 0.232323, 909090. And Madan has also said non-repeating. Thank you, Madan. Non-repeating means it just does not, the pattern does not repeat. Okay, and we're going to look a little bit more about that today. Now, from the pre-work, can you give me a thumbs up if you've watched the 3-minute video that I shared? I'll be really upset, guys, if you've not. You haven't even done homework. Thank you. Only 2 people, as usual, Chitra and Noor. 5 people, okay, making me a little more happy. Thank you, Divya. Basama also always does it. Okay, more people, Rahul, Rohit. Okay, so Tejaswini. Okay, Tejaswini, then can you tell me what is an irrational number? Whoever's watched the video, what is an irrational number? What did we see from the video? Anyone who's watched the video.
That is
Okay.
two types of irrational numbers?
There are two types of irrational numbers. Okay. It's okay, Nikat. Please watch it after this call. What are the two types? I also didn't know. What are the two types?
I forgot.
You forgot. It wasn't there only. That's why you forgot. Okay. Yes. Can somebody tell me what are irrational numbers?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. Try. Tejaswini. Try.
Ma'am, in irrational number, we can't write as ratio as fraction or fraction.
Can everyone please celebrate for Tejaswini? Tejaswini, like bang on. Okay. This is like known as an exemplar response. Okay. Everyone celebrate for Tejaswini. Beautiful, right? You can't write it as a fraction. Okay. And there's one more tiny definition, but I'm not going to waste time now. We'll do it a little later. Okay.
Like
Can I
pi,
ask
ma'am?
Mustafa? Yes, Mustafa. Mustafa, read my objective and then say what you want to say.
We
Read my
will be able to interpret what
Yes.
are irrational number and
Yes.
explain the difference between rational and irrational number. We
Beautiful.
will be develop a basic understanding of real number.
Thank you, Mustafa, for reading so beautifully. Okay, so we will be able to interpret. Okay, we will be able to understand what is an irrational number. Okay, and what is the difference between rational and irrational. Okay, and then we will understand something known as real numbers. Okay, sorry guys, we're teaching you so many different types of numbers. This is the last one. Okay, I promise. Okay, guys, by the way, Tejas sir is here. So I hope that today he gets to see how engaged you all are. So don't drop off. Okay, the stakes are high. I like to put some pressure on you. Okay. Okay. What are irrational numbers? So Tejaswini has already beautifully told us what are irrational numbers. But let's try and define it ourselves. Okay. So everyone who's watched the video, thank you so much. This will be very easy for you. People who've not watched the pre-work video that I gave, very bad. Okay. Please watch it next time. Guys, it just makes your life easier and our class is quicker. But you can still guess. So we're just going to we understand rational numbers really well. Okay, in my pop quiz also, I think most of us were able to understand it well. So I know we're okay there. So we know that a rational number is number that can be written in the form P by Q, where we know that P and Q are integers. Okay, like I think Chitra told us, Madan told us, Guru Raj told us, Noor also said, ma'am, you can't have 5.6 by 10, right? They need to be integers and Q can't be 0. What do you think irrational numbers will be? I think Tejaswini's already said it. So does somebody want to repeat? Just so I know people were paying attention through Tejaswini. She said something.
Ma'am, in irrational number, I cannot be used fractions.
Yes, you cannot depict it as a fraction. Beautiful. Can everyone please celebrate for Afnan? I want to see celebrations for Afnan, guys. More celebrations, more. We are more people on this call. I want to make sure that you all are awake. Great. Right? So an irrational number cannot be written in the form P by Q. It cannot be written as this fraction. Great. Then we know the relationship between rational numbers and decimals, right? We know that rational numbers are terminating, non-terminating, and repeating decimal numbers, right? So we know that they are terminating. That means they end, the decimals end, and they're non-terminating but repeating. So what do you think irrational numbers will be? What kind of decimals? Danish, you've come off mute. Do you want to answer? It was there in the video if you watched it.
Ma'am,
Yes. What do you
can
think?
you tell again the question?
Yes. Okay. Sumitra ma'am is also here. Okay. I'm just warning all of you, just so you know. We said that rational numbers are terminating. Okay. And what kind of decimals are they? They are terminating decimals. We saw that we can convert something like a terminating decimal, like say 5.6 into a rational number. We also learned in yesterday's class that we can convert a non-terminating but repeating rational number. We can convert 0.11111 into a rational number. So what do you think irrational numbers are? What are we missing out? What are we
Ma'am, irrational numbers are not be fraction.
They are not fraction. That is 0.1. But the decimal, what do you think it will be?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, decimal will be there.
Decimal
Ma'am,
is
shall
there.
I tell?
Not
Tejaswini,
there.
wait, I know you watched the video. Somebody else.
We
Anita.
can remove decimal.
We can remove decimal. Okay.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
yes,
I will.
Okay,
For a
Tejaswini, go for it. Tejaswini, go for
Ma'am,
it.
non-repeating, non-terminating.
Yes, everyone celebrate for Tejaswini. Beautiful. See, when you watch the video, it's a 3-minute video, but you just get a head start. Okay, beautiful, Tejaswini. Right? So remember, we learned 3 types of decimals. Right? We learned 3 types of decimals. We learned terminating decimals. We learned non-terminating. Okay, which non-terminating has 2 types, which we revised today. One is repeating, one is non-repeating. So repeating is rational numbers, but irrational numbers are the non-terminating and non-repeating. We never learned how to convert something like 1.010010001. We didn't learn how to convert this into rational numbers. Okay. Can I get a thumbs up if this is clear? This is very important. These 2 are basically the definition of irrational numbers. More thumbs up, guys. With 30 people on the call, I'm getting only like 13 thumbs ups. More? Great. All right. So this is the definition of irrational numbers. Please like put it in your brain. Okay. I will send you notes for this entire week's chapters by Monday. Okay. By Monday, I should be able to send you the notes. Okay. So these are some examples of irrational numbers. Okay, root 2, we've done square and square root. Root 2 is an irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. Root 5 is an irrational number. Pi, who knows what is pi? Have you guys ever studied this pi before?
Yes, ma'am. 27 divided by
Hey,
4.
by 7. Yes. 22 by 7. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Can everyone celebrate for Rohit? So pi is going to be, guys, grade 10 is a lot about geometry. Okay, a lot about geometry. And pi is a very, very important number for geometry. Okay, when we're looking at circles and all, it's going to be a very, very important number. This is an irrational number. Okay, we simplify it as 22 by 7, but actually it's like little different from 22 by 7. Okay, and E, okay, E is basically, it's a number we're going to use in logs, okay, which is like super crucial also if you want to do like computer engineering or you want to do like architecture and, you know, create buildings and stuff, you're really going to be using logs. Okay, so E is also an irrational number. As you can see, it's non-terminating and non-repeating. I can't find a repeated pattern. Okay, and we're going to learn a lot more types of examples of irrational numbers today and in our future classes. Okay, now let's exercise our brain. Okay, growth mindset is one of our values. So we're going to exercise our brain. I'm just going to throw some fun just puzzles to you, and all of us can try and guess it together. Okay, because I think it's a lot easier when you derive the answer than when I tell you, just learn this. Okay, so let's try and do it together. I don't expect everyone to get it, but I do expect everyone to pay attention. Okay, can I get a thumbs up if it's clear? A thumbs up. I want to see thumbs up from at least 20 people. At least 20 people. At least 20. Quickly in 3, 2, 2 more people, 1. Thank you. Okay, so let's exercise our brain. Okay, can you create an irrational number of your own? You know that it's a non-terminating, non-repeating number. Can you create an irrational number of your own? Type on chat, guys. Let's give this 1 minute. Can you type on chat? Type on chat. 0.202020. That's repeating now, Chitra. 202020 is repeating. I want a non-repeating. Oh my God. Afnan has written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 3, 9, 3, 9. Okay. I'm assuming he's put on point there. Love it, Afnan. I love it. E 276581. Oh my God. 67852416. Okay. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I love it. I hope, Chitra, that doesn't repeat. 484236. Oh my God. Okay. Love it. Love it. Okay, guys. So I'll give you a very easy way of creating an irrational number. Okay. You don't have to think of, oh my God, what is number? Pi. Okay. Mustafa has very smartly just said pi. And he's very coolly giving me the pi symbol also on chat. Mustafa, I don't know how you put these cool symbols on chat. But I'll show you a very easy way. If you watch the video, you will know how they create an irrational number. So you can just create, okay, I can just write my favorite number is 6. I was born on 6th Feb. I'll just write 6. And I can think of a pattern, but change it a little bit. So I can make it like 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, right? So it seems like a pattern, but it's not repeating, right? Here I'm having 1, 2. Here I'm having 1, 1, 2. So I can't put this thing on top because 1, 2 is not repeating, right? The number of ones are changing. So I can just write it like that. Okay. Similarly, Guru Raj, what's your favorite number? Guru Raj, what's your favorite number? Guru Raj? Bharat, what's your favorite number? Okay, somebody tell me your favorite number. Guru
Ma'am,
Raj,
my favorite number is 7.
okay, Guru Raj's favorite number is 4. Okay, so I'm just going to write 4. Anita, what is your favorite number?
10.
10. No, give me something that's less than 10.
Ma'am, shall I try?
Ma'am, 7.
2. Okay, 2 and 7. Okay. So I heard 2 and 7. So I can just make an irrational number out of this. I'll just keep increasing the number of 2s. Okay. And then just put a dot dot. Pi. My God, what is this double pi, Rohit? You are also showing off with the ability to use emojis or whatever. Symbols. Chaitra also. Very nice. Okay. Okay. Fatima's favorite number 6. So guys, you can just create an irrational number with your favorite number. Okay. Just tweak the pattern a little. Okay. I'm just showing you one way. There are multiple ways of doing it. Okay. Let's do another exercise of our brains. Is root 4. Okay. So we saw root 2 is an irrational number. Is root 4 an irrational number? Tell me yes or no on chat. I want to hear from everyone. Private message me, yes or no, root 4
Yes.
is an irrational number. Yes or no, privately message me. Privately message me. Last time everyone said yes, everyone went through that thing. Okay, I'm hearing some yeses, a couple of no's, a couple of yeses. It's actually 50-50. It's actually 50-50. Okay. Anita or Raghu or Arshia, tell me what is root 4? We've done square and square root. How can I write root 4? How can I write
Ma'am,
root
2.
2? Yes, I can write root 4 is 2, right? Because 4 is nothing but 2 into 2. I can make this 2 a pattern. So root 4 is nothing but 2. Now is 2 a non-repeating decimal? Tell me, Arshia, Raghu, everyone who said yes, is 2 a non-repeating decimal? Noor, is it a non-repeating decimal? Is it going on and on and on and not repeating?
No, ma'am.
No, right? So do you think it's rational or irrational?
Irrational.
Irrational.
Irrational? Is it
Rational.
rational? Guys, it is a rational number because it is terminating. It's ending. There's nothing after 2. It's 2. It's not 2.01, 0001, 0001. It's 2. That's it. Okay. So don't think, oh my God, wherever there is a square root, because root 2 is an irrational number, every square root is an irrational number. I'm going to tell you how to remember. Okay. Don't worry about it. Somebody who said yes, I'm going to ask. Somebody who said yes. Anita, can you read this? This thing that's big and bold and red. Yes. Okay. So square roots of numbers that are not perfect squares are irrational. So tell me, will square root of 50 be irrational or rational?
Irrational.
Irrational. Yes, irrational.
Irrational.
Yes, which is why we did squares and square roots before, because you need that knowledge a little bit to identify
Yes,
irrational numbers. Yes, 50 is not a perfect square. So square root of 50 is irrational. Yes, Danish, do you have a question? You've raised your hand, bacha. Should I lower your hand? Do you have a question? I'm giving you 3 seconds to come off mute. Danish 1, Danish 2, Danish 3. Okay. Okay, my last exercise, brain exercise, okay. Which one do you think is right? Okay, I don't know if you've done Venn diagrams, but this basically means that irrational numbers and rational numbers, there are some common numbers. There are rational and irrational. Okay. This means all rational numbers are also irrational numbers. Like all integers are also rational numbers. This one is saying all irrational numbers are also rational numbers. And this one is saying rational and irrational is fully different. Can I quickly hear from all of you? How are you? What do you think? Is it A, B, or C? Is there some?
Ma'am, C.
Okay. Are there some common numbers? Are all rational numbers irrational numbers? Or are irrational numbers like fully different? I'm hearing B. I'm hearing C. Okay. Divya, why do you think D? Do you think 3 by 5 is an
Ma'am, C.
irrational number?
Ma'am, because they have number all number in the inside, ma'am.
Okay, but understand my question. Is 3 by 5 an irrational number? Based on the definition that we learned.
No, ma'am.
No. Rahul, you said A. Tell me one number that's irrational and rational. Rahul, can you give me one number that's rational and irrational? Rahul? Rahul. Does anyone else want to? Yes. Okay, all of you are right. I thought this would be tough, but most of you got it. Rational and irrational numbers are totally different. There is no overlap. If a number is rational, it can't be irrational. And if a number is irrational, it can't be rational. My God, so many rationals in this thing. All right, they are totally
Ma'am, what
different.
doubt?
Yes, Divya, ask me.
Ma'am, what is that looking like a R
R.
in
This,
irrational?
this is pi, bacha. We learned about pi, no? I showed you. Pi is an example. This one. It's
Okay, ma'am.
okay. We learn it a lot in geometry. Don't worry. You're going to get sick of this number. Okay. And remember, it's irrational. Okay. But we simplify it as 22 by 7. And all these numbers combine, rational and irrational together. What are they called? Can someone read this out for me?
Real number.
Real numbers, right? So real numbers definition is very simple. All the numbers in the universe, rational, irrational, they are known as real numbers. Can I get a thumbs up if this is clear? Wow, I'm like 15 minutes over time, but that's fine.
No, ma'am.
Hey, okay, more thumbs up, guys. Okay, let's quickly do practice. But before practice, what did we learn today? What are we learning about today? Can someone quickly just repeat for me?
Ma'am, irrational
Rational
numbers.
and
Real
irrational.
numbers.
Numbers, right? And also we saw what are real numbers. So we've actually completed our objective for today. For the next 20 minutes, I'm going to extend a little bit. So for the next 20-25 minutes, I'm just going to practice. Okay. How are you feeling? Quickly tell me how are you
Zero.
feeling so I get a sense.
0.
I know your ulta answers. Yeah, please don't scare me. Okay. Everyone 5. Amazing.
5.
More, tell me on chat. More people. Thank you. Afnan, don't scare Tejas. Tejas sir, Afnan always says ulta. Okay. Fatima, it's okay wherever you are. What is this? Mustafa, you really go off with your Nikat, it's okay. Okay, guys, let's move forward. Anita, mute, bacha, please. Anita. Yes. All right. Let's quickly, guys. I'm going to give you 3 minutes, okay? Because 5 minutes is too much. I'm going to give you 3 minutes independent work time. I'm sure you can do this. Only the third one is a little confusing. Think about how you will do it. But otherwise, I'm giving you 3 minutes. Quickly answer these 3 questions. Okay? Quickly, 3 minutes. 9:33, we will start discussing. And then we're going to do, you'll really love quizzes. So we're going to do a quiz. Okay? Let me just quickly check what time is your next class.
Sorry, ma'am, I can't do because my brother online class is starting now.
Oh no. Okay, take a screenshot of this and just send it to me. Okay, Divya?
Okay, ma'am.
Send me your answers. Okay, everyone. Quickly.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes. Try staying for some time if you can. You don't want to do that quiz. It's so fun. Okay. Quickly, guys, 3 minutes. 3 minutes I'm giving you. Trying to see your timetable. Guys, please go on mute. Quickly, these are very easy. Thank you, Likita. Check your answer. Okay, your next class is at, oh, anyway, I think Rohit sir has cancelled your social studies. I mean, not cancelled, he's moved your social studies class. So I can take class. Okay, very nice. This makes me happy. Okay. Then guys, you all can take 2 extra minutes. Okay, do it slowly, but do it properly. Nikita, think about the definition of rational and irrational. When is a square root a rational number? Likita, check your answers. Everyone, if you want, you can also type out answers like Likita is doing to me. So at least I know.
Ma'am, for everyone.
Yes, everyone, just not for everyone, for me. Like, just send it to me. Good job, Noor. Please write the question number. Likita, leave and come back if you can't listen to me. Okay, great. Yes, absolutely right, Mustafa. Absolutely right, Anita. Wait, what is factor tree for first?
Ma'am, I am not understanding.
Which one? We will discuss.
We also.
We will discuss. We will discuss. Absolutely right, Noor. Both your answers are right. Think about your answer, Anita. Second answer. Hey, where are people dropping off? Why is they dropping off? What is happening? Yes, absolutely. Mustafa, check your third answer. Think about the definition, guys. Please remember, an irrational number is a non-repeating, non-terminating decimal. Please remember that. So ask yourself, is this non-repeating, non-terminating? Ask yourself that. If the answer is yes, it's a rational number. Okay, guys, I'm giving you 1 more minute. I've given you more than 5 minutes. I'm going to give you 1 more minute. And all these people who've dropped off, please ask your friends if they've dropped off that they need to come.
Beginning, there are 30 people.
That's what. Constantly this only happens. But today, I think because of the fear of Tejas, sir, most people have stayed back. Other than when we give you sums to do. Okay. Guys, can we discuss? Let's quickly discuss. Then we'll have time for independent practice also. We can do the quiz. No, can move this class. Sham is also back. Good. Okay, let's discuss. Who wants to tell me the first one? First one. Raise your hand. Danish. Okay, Anita. Anita, what is it? Anita? Anita. Okay, you typed on chat. You've said irrational, which is absolutely right. Right? Because this is a square root of something that's not a perfect square. Of a number that's not a perfect square. Great. What is this? What is this? Is this rational?
Rational.
Why is it rational, Tejas? But there's a square root. Why is it rational? Why is it rational? Why is it rational? Somebody tell me.
Irrational number.
It's irrational. Why is it irrational? Yes, Noor, say.
Ma'am, it's multiplied by some numbers. That's why it is rational number.
What is 225 the perfect square of?
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Yes, Tejaswini.
Ma'am, when we multiply 15 into 15, we got 225.
Can everyone please celebrate for Tejaswini and Anita? Anita for giving the first answer and Tejaswini for giving the second answer. Celebrations, guys. Absolutely right. This is rational because 225 is a perfect square. 15 into 15 is 225. Great. What is this? Is it rational or irrational? Irrational. Why?
Irrational.
Why irrational? Yes.
Because
why?
it's a decimal.
Because it's a decimal.
Are repeating and not
Non-repeating, but is it terminating? Is it ending?
no.
It's not ending. Are there dot dots here?
Yes, it is
Ma'am,
ending.
it's
So
not.
if it's ending, Abu, if it's ending, is it
It's
rational or irrational? Abu.
Ma'am, rational.
It is rational, right? Because it is ending. It is ending. Terminating decimals are rational numbers. Okay, I'm going to ask Basama. Basama, do you want to answer this? Is this rational or irrational?
Irrational.
Irrational.
Irrational. First, tell me what type of Rohit, tell me what type of decimal is this? What type of decimal is this? It's definitely non-terminating.
Non-terminal.
Yes, it's non-terminating because it's not ending, but is it repeating or non-repeating?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, repeating.
Repeating.
It's repeating, right?
Repeating, ma'am.
478 is
Rational
repeating. So
Ma'am,
is a
rational number.
repeating decimal, is it rational or irrational?
Rational number.
Rational.
Does everyone agree? Can I get a thumbs up?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. What is this? Rational or irrational? Abu, do you want to try?
Irrational.
Rational. Rational.
Ma'am, irrational.
Why is it irrational, Afnan?
Because the zeros are going one,
Yes,
one,
it's
one,
not
one, one.
repeating, right? It's not repeating. The pattern is
Irrational.
not the same. Yes, it is irrational.
Irrational.
Okay. Okay. Can someone quickly tell me some sort of irrational numbers between 3 and 4? Irrational numbers between 3 and 4. Someone else. Someone else, Afnan. Yeah, Afnan, you've answered so much. Guys, Sohail, I want to hear from you. -4. Okay, is -4 an irrational number? Guys, I want find any 3 irrational numbers between these two numbers. Tell me, what will you say? Yes, say.
Ma'am, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 2.
Okay, 3.24, 2,
Next 2,
4.
2, 4, 4, 2,
Yes,
2, 2, 4,
beautiful.
3, 2,
This is
4.
one. This is one. Can I get one more from someone else? Noor, you want to try?
4.2.
Noor, I can't hear you. Noor, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, 4.27 is
Hey, 4.2 is in between. Oh, guys, I'm going to turn my video off. Okay, my internet is a little weak. Okay, 4.2 is in between 3 and 4. It's
No.
4.2. Then give me a number between 3 and 4. Rahul. Rahul. 3.85. Is this an irrational number? 3.85.
Ma'am, 885.
No.
Oh,
Ma'am,
then
you can write
885.
four.
Good. Chitra got it. Good job. Good job. Rohit, do you want to try one more? Rohit, remember to put these dots. Okay, this means it's continuing. Does someone want to try one more? One more. Give me one more.
Can I?
3.25.
Yes, Chitra. 3.25.
225.
225. Good job. And then
Dot,
it
dot.
just keep
Dot.
Yes, right? It'll keep going on. Good job. Good job, Chitra and Afnan. Can everyone please celebrate for Chitra and Afnan? Everyone celebrate for Chitra and Afnan. Good job. Okay. Awesome. Okay, sorry. Now, can you tell me 3 irrational numbers between these two fractions? First, tell me what is the first step you're going to do? What is the first thing you're going to do? First thing you're going to do?
8/9.
Okay. First, actually, you will just convert this into a decimal. So what is 3/5 in decimal form?
3.5.
3.5.
It's 3.5. 3 divided by 5 is 3.5.
0.35.
0.35. Divide properly and tell me. Don't simply answer.
Ma'am, 0.6.
Yes, 0.6. Now somebody who's not Afnan, Afnan, let's give others a chance. What is 9/11? What is that in decimal form? 9/11 in decimal form. Guru Raj, you want to answer? Yes. Somebody
0.81.
repeat it, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
0.81 repeat. Yes. So now, can you give me a rational number between 0.6 and 0.81? Who can give me?
0.5,
0.5, ma'am.
0.5 is in between these two. Rohit?
yes.
Ma'am,
0.8.
7.
0.7. Yes.
I'm 8.
0.8. Yes. 80 something I can do. Yes. Okay. So can you tell me an irrational number? 0.5 is in between 0.6 and 0.8.
No.
0.8.
0.38. 38.
0.3 is in between.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
0.7.
0.7 in between.
Yes.
0.38.
35.
0.45. Okay. 7745. Okay. Then I can do 77745. Someone else who's not Afnan, give me one more. Give me one more. It needs to be between 0.
0.757.
Okay, 0.75. Then
755.
755. Okay, wow, you've changed the
774.
Okay, 755. Then you keep going on. Right? Okay, awesome, guys. How are you all feeling now? Can you all tell me? Some 6-7 people have
0.
dropped off. But can you tell me how you are feeling after answering these questions? I hope all of you have this in your notebooks. Okay, we went a little fast, but I hope all of you have this in your notebooks. Yes? Can I get a quick, how are you feeling? Thank you, Sudarshan. Okay, guys, we're going to quickly now just play.
Ma'am, I have to write last answer, ma'am.
Okay, sorry. I'm giving you time. Guys, take 2 minutes to just write all of this. Take 2 minutes. Take 2 minutes. And then we started our class also 10 minutes late, no? Thanks to all of you not coming. Yes, Guru Raj? 1 second, guys. Guru Raj is trying to say. Guru Raj, what?
Then
Guru Raj,
ask
what
them
happened?
to take screenshot.
Yes, you can
later.
take a screenshot, but actually, no, guys. I just want you to do it now.
Done, ma'am.
Thank
Done, ma'am.
you.
Done, ma'am.
Great. See, Sumitra
Done,
ma'am
ma'am.
also messaged on the class group, guys. To every student, this is the final instruction. If you're not attending class, means attendance will be 0 and you will not be allowed to give tests. Okay, you're really going to have a problem. Okay, so
I
please attend all
just
classes.
saw.
Please attend all classes and you can't drop off because I'm not going to give people attendance if you are in the class for less than like half the class. Okay, great. Okay, let's move forward. This I'm very excited about. Okay, quickly, I've just given you like 8-9 questions. We've already done the fist to 5. Now it is quiz time. Okay, so I know you guys loved the quiz last time that Deepthi ma'am had created. So I said, fine, guys, I'm going to create a quiz now for you. I'm sending you a link on chat. Okay, sheesh, where's my chat? Okay, I'm sending you a link on chat. Just click on this. Oh, yeah. Just click on this from your phone. Okay, click on this from your phones. And we're going to answer some very, very, very simple questions. Okay, I want to see 22 people on this call. I want to see 22 people on this call. Oh, Anal has joined. Yay. Chitra is here. More people. Guys, we've done quizzes before, so you should be able to.
Ma'am, can you do?
Ma'am, same time.
Huh?
Ma'am, I didn't get the message.
Link is not there. Okay, then I'll tell you what to do. Link, if you cannot see, then just type, hi Anal, so nice to see you. Okay, Anal, it's okay. You've not attended today's class, but just do the quiz. Okay, then you learn from your.
Ma'am, I did the irrational numbers quiz in academy.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, so you know. Okay, so guys, what you have to do is just go to quiz.com. Very short spelling of quizzes. Okay, just go to quizzes.com. Okay, this quiz
Ma'am,
is
this
right like
not
this.
coming only.
Arey Nikat, you've done it last time, bacha. Type quizzes. Quizzizz.
Where we should type?
Quizzes. Yes, Chitra is here. Just go on your web browser and type quizzes. Okay. And then type this code. And then type this code. Okay, you know what? Guys, I'm going to send the link. I'm going to send the link on WhatsApp. Just give me a second. I'm going to send the link on
I
WhatsApp.
opened.
You
Still-
opened, but some people are not open. Have not opened. So
Ma'am, there is so many options, ma'am. What?
okay, don't worry, guys. Let's be patient. I'm just going to send it to you.
I
Don't
cannot
worry.
see the link, ma'am, because their phone is not reaches, no, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry, guys. Just give me a second. I will send it on our 9th grade main group. Okay, I will
That's-
send this on our 9th grade main group. Okay. Yes. Okay, I'm seeing Chitra is here again. Okay. I want to see more people. More people. Have all of you got?
Ma'am, you send in group.
Yes.
the link.
I will send it on all the groups that we have, the multiple groups that we have.
Ma'am,
Send it on all groups.
send code, ma'am.
Code is 674
Ma'am, tell again, ma'am.
674979.
674979.
Yes, Rahul is here, Arshia is here. Everyone join. Everyone join.
I joined it, ma'am.
Great.
I will
great.
not coming that.
Nika, just click on the link, bacha.
Okay, okay.
Okay. More people, more people. I'm seeing only 14 people on the call on the link, but I have like 24 people in this class. Prajwal Zabi, join.
Ma'am, I also joined it.
Yes, join quickly. Prajwal Zabi, Sham. Prajwal Zabi, Sham, Suhail Pasha, Mustafa. Please join quickly. I'm going to start.
15
Guru Raj, Fatima, Esther, are you awake? Esther, can you reply to me?
Yes, ma'am, I will join.
Basama is here. Arshia is here.
Ma'am,
Azal- Okay, great. Hey, who is this quizzes.com? Somebody's named themselves quizzes.com. Very good. Who is that? Prajwal Zabi, are you here? Prajwal Zabi, can you hear me? I didn't hear from you at all in the class. Danish, guys, I'm giving this 1 more minute, okay? And then I'm just going to start. Danish,
19 people.
Ma'am, my network is so bad, ma'am.
just try joining, bacha. Try at least. If you get dropped off, it's okay. Just try. How does it matter?
Ma'am, your screen can't see in this.
It's okay. Don't see my screen. I'll tell you who's on the leaderboard and all. Don't worry. Okay, can I have more people join, please? Quickly.
20 people.
Yes, 21 people are actually here. Chitra is there from 2 devices. No problem. Hey, who is this quizzes.com? Yeah. One of you have joined as quizzes.com. Very nice. Ashma, where are you? Ashma. Anita.
Ma'am, I am joined.
Raju Zabi, quickly, I'm waiting for you only now. Quickly, bacha. Then everyone will get bored and leave off. Rajwal Zabi, are you there? Raghu, join, bacha. You've just joined. I've sent a link on WhatsApp. Just join that link. Raghu. Oh, Prajwal Zabi are here. Raghu, are you here? Join this link. I sent it on the group. Raghu, please join. Okay, I'm starting. Okay. Let's go. 9 questions, out of which 1 is a poll, so we'll be okay.
Ma'am, we should press resum button.
No, don't press anything. Now the question is coming. Guys, you have 45 seconds. Irrational numbers are dash non-terminating decimals. Answer. Great. I've only heard from Rohit, Abu, Tejaswini, Sudarshan, Rahul, Suraj, Wait. Likita, Esther, come on. Come on. Guys, 15 more seconds left. Chitra, Basama. Basma's answer.
Ma'am, I done, ma'am.
Adnan, Noor.
Submitted, but that is not come.
It's okay, it will come now because I'm not the question. Anna,
Yes, ma'am.
Esther,
Same.
time up. Time up. Time up. Time up.
Incorrect.
Okay, next question. Let's
Ma'am, I
see.
got correct.
Tejaswini, Sudarshan, Sham, Likita. Tejaswini, Sudarshan, Sham, Likita. Okay, guys, please remember irrational numbers are non-recurring and non-repeating, right? Is that clear for everyone?
Password, ma'am. Code.
Huh?
Code.
Code. Again, you want the code. 674
Yes, ma'am.
674 979. Don't leave that page, guys. Don't leave that page. I will tell you. Just listen to me. Don't leave that page. Okay? Some of you have written terminating, recurring, and all of that. Guys, it is non-terminating, non-repeating. Most of us got that, but a lot of us are confused. Okay? No problem. Now don't forget. I'm moving to the next question. 30 seconds for this one also. Please get ready. Quick. It's like one banega crorepati. Quickly. Real numbers are dashed. Real numbers are dashed. Quickly. 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 More people. More people. Sham, Fatima, Raghu, Nikrat, Chitra, Afnan. Answer. Arshia, Noor. Arshia. Guys, 17 seconds left. Afnan, Raghu. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Quickly, quickly. We're running out of time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Correct.
Let's see. Let's see. It'll tell you. Okay, Tejaswini. Oh my God. Anal is leading. Gururaj, Chaitra, Tejaswini. Yes, real numbers are rational and irrational
Yes,
numbers
rational numbers.
combined. Okay, real numbers. Okay, we did not talk about rational. Okay, please remember real numbers, the new type of numbers we learned today. Remember that diagram that we found out together. Okay, is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
next
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Next question. 3 seconds. Quickly, quickly, quickly. 30 seconds for this one. 30 seconds for this one. Is this irrational? Just look at it and tell me, is it irrational? 30 seconds, me, all of you should answer. 30 seconds. Come on, 10 more seconds left. And 10 more people to answer. Quickly. Tejaswini, Chitra, just answer yes or no. Raghu,
Yes, ma'am. I did.
Arshia. Tejaswini, quick,
Submitted.
Raghu. Oh no. Oh no.
False.
Okay, let's see.
Ma'am,
Tejaswini.
it's disconnected.
Oh no. Can you join back, Tejaswini?
Yes, ma'am.
Anna leading, Sudarshan, Esther. Yes, the answer is true, guys. It is an irrational number. Right? Square root. Is 40 a perfect square? Is
True.
40 a perfect square?
Truth.
40 is a perfect square. Right? So which means root of 40 is not a perfect square. So root of a number that is not a perfect square is irrational. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next question. Next question. Tejaswini, are you back?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go. Next question, read it properly, 30 seconds.
64 is an irrational number.
Think, is 64 a perfect square?
Ma'am, I can't see that question.
Arey, go back to your browser. Nikita. Go back to your browser. Come on, 10 seconds. 10 seconds, everyone. 10 seconds. Afnan. Tejaswini. Tejaswini turns again. Noor. Nikita. Oh no, time's up. Let's see.
And till I answer, the time is only up.
Anal, Gururaj, I'm so happy with you. Yeah, Esther, I'm so proud of you. Yes, this is not an irrational number. Why is root 64 not an irrational number? Who can tell me?
Ma'am, because it's
Ma'am, it's an
Wait, somebody answer.
because 8 8s are 64, it's perfect.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Rahul and Afnan.
because it not have
Absolutely, right? 8 8s are 64. So 64 is a perfect square. So you can write this as 8, right? Which is not irrational. Good. It is a rational number. Everyone, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question. Quickly. You have 30 seconds for this one also. Is root 640 an irrational number? Think about this. This is a little tricky. Think if root 640 is an irrational number. More people. Anal, Sam, Raghu. Quickly, 10 seconds. Sam, Anal, Raghu. You have, just press on something. Guys, 2 seconds. Okay, Anal, just
Correct.
about made it, huh? Just about made it. Okay. Yes, Anal, Gururaj. Oh, Gururaj is leading. Esther, Sudarshan, Anal is 4th. Basama. Yes. Why is it irrational? Is 640 a perfect square? I gave this question. Open. Is 640 a perfect square? What into what gives me 640? Is 640 a perfect square, guys? Say yes or no. 640 is
No, ma'am.
not a perfect square, right? I gave this question to you in your square root homework also, right? So 640 is not a perfect square. Square root of 640 is irrational. Okay, is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go to the next question.
3,
2 more questions left, okay? 2 more questions.
4.565556.
Actually, 3 more questions, sorry. 30 seconds. Quickly, everyone answer. Quickly. More people. Esther, Tejaswini, Raghu, Sohail, Sham. Nikat send me a message. Raghu, Sham, quickly, 4 seconds. Raghu, Sham, press on something. Come on, okay. Let's see this. Gururaj, Basama's number 3. Gururaj number 1. Esther number 2. Esther, you're killing it, yeah. I'm proud of you. Okay. This is an irrational number, right? Because this pattern is not repeating. There is 5 6, 5 5 6, 5 5 5 6, right? So it is irrational. It is a non-terminating and non-repeating decimal, right? Okay, let's do the next question. 9 people who got it wrong. Please pay attention. But now you know. Okay. Last two questions. Dash is an irrational number between 10 and 11. Please remember, between 10 and 11. Give me a decimal. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute. Okay. I've got some. Rohit Basama, okay. Abu, that's beautiful. Abu is leading right now. Nikita, you've given me a number that ends. Very good, Rahul. Very good, Afnan. Chaitra, I think your number ends. Chitra, very good. You should have just put a ... Fatima, you've given me a fraction. Irrational numbers are not fractions. Anal, you've given me 10.5. 10.5 is terminating. I need a non-terminating. Noor, beautiful. Gururaj, I don't think 10 is a... Okay. Okay, guys, I'm just looking at everyone's responses. Rohit, 10.1. So everyone who's given me like 10.1, 10.5. Firstly, Sudarshan 2 is not a number between 10 and 11. Okay, everyone who's giving me like 10.1, 10.5, guys, those numbers are terminating. Those numbers are ending. We can convert them into a fraction. Okay. Good job, Abu. 10.111. He's given me a number that is non-terminating and non-repeating. Good job, Rahul. Very good, Afnan. Chaitra, does your number end? Chaitra, if your number ends, it's wrong. It should not end. Okay. Suhail, 1 is not between 10 and 11. Okay. Fatima, 10 by 11 is a rational number. Anal, you've given me a terminating number. Very good, Noor. Very good, Chitra. Gururaj, 10.0 what? Okay, if you wrote 10.01, 001, that would have been correct. Anal, this may be right, but write a little more. Oh, sorry, Anita. Okay, very good job, guys. I'm quite proud of some of you, okay? But some of you need to learn a little more, okay? Next question. Okay, last question, and then it's poll. Can you give me an irrational number between 2 by 3 and 1 by 2? First, think of what you have to do first. And I'm pausing the timer for this one. Okay, because it is a little tricky. So I'm pausing the timer for this one. But just give me your answers. We've done a similar sum. Okay. Anita, is your number ending or not ending? Is your number ending or not ending? What is 1 by 2? What is 1 by 2? Okay. Okay. Not getting any perfect answers, but that's okay. That's okay. We will do it. That's okay. It's independent practice, so I can't help you, but that's okay. Guys, I've heard from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 people. 13 people. I'm waiting for about 7 or 8 of you more to reply. I'm waiting for 7, 8 more of you to reply. Arshia, you could be right. Chitra, you've given me a terminating decimal. I want an irrational number. Fatima, you're kind of right. Fatima, you've got it. Fatima, I am so proud of you, Fatima. Fatima, you've got it.
Ma'am, Rahul is correct.
Rahul, no. Rohit.
Ma'am, Chitra.
Me?
No. Okay, guys. Firstly, you've not even given me an irrational number. 0.5, Chitra. Is it an irrational number? Rohit, is 1 by 3 an irrational number? You can't write irrational numbers as a Tejaswini, you are kind of right, but see, is it between those two numbers? Rohit, you've given me a fraction. A fraction is not an irrational number. Gururaj, you're right, but you just need to swap 2 digits, yeah. Check if it's in between those two. Anita, check if your number is in between the 2 numbers that I've given you. Fatima is the only right one as of now. Anal, you've given me a fraction, bacha. Anal, Basama.
Guys,
Anal, Basama, Noor, Sudarshan, Rohit, Abu. You've given me numbers that are fractions. Okay, fractions will not work. Rohit, Afnan, Arshia, Tejaswini, Gururaj, yeah, Gururaj. Rohit, Afnan. See if your numbers are in between the 2 numbers that I've asked you to find. You've given me or irrational number, but they're not between the numbers. Very good, Chaitra. Chaitra and Fatima have got it. Okay, Chaitra and Fatima have got it. Chitra, then one more person I saw. Oh, only Chitra. Chitra, you've not given me you've given me a terminating decimal, bacha. You've given me a terminating decimal. Likita, the value of 5 is not in between the numbers that I've asked you to find. Okay, guys. So first, can someone tell me, if I've asked you to find something in between two numbers, what is the first step? Okay.
Ma'am, I will divide the two numbers.
Yes. What is 2 by 3? What is 2 by 3 equal to?
Ma'am, 0.666666.
Yes, 0.66666. Repeat. What is 1 by 2 equal to?
Ma'am, 0.5.
Yes, 0.5. So what
The
is
answer
the
is
irrational number between
0.5.
0.5 and 0.66666?
Ma'am,
What will be an irrational number between 0.5 and 0.66666? Tejaswini, do you want to? Not Tejaswini, sorry. Fatima, do you want to share? Fatima, I'm so happy with you. Yeah. Fatima, what was your answer, Fatima? Anita,
Can tell my answer, ma'am.
0.5288. Anita, you just need to add the point before the 5. Yes, Fatima, can you read out your answer? What answer did you give?
556.
Yes, 0.556, then 5556, right? And that goes on, right? Please remember to write dot, dot, dot. It goes on, okay? You guys are not writing dot, dot, dot. Raj, your answer is right, but please write dot, dot, dot. I mean, it's a non-terminating, dot, dot, dot. So please remember, it needs to be like this, because this number comes in between 0.5 and 0.6. Okay. 1 second. Okay, guys, last bit. Sorry, we've like overshot by like 20 minutes, but we also started 15 minutes late. So, last thing, I just want to give you a poll. Okay, I just want to give you a poll. Okay, just answer this poll for me. There's no right or wrong answer in this poll. I just want to see, because we've not discussed this. I just want to see, what are you thinking? Just answer this poll for me. Just answer this poll for me. I'm disabling the timer because I want more people to answer. I only have 7 responses so far. There are 20 people on this call. I want to see more responses. More responses. I can see 14 responses, 15 responses. More. 16 responses. I'm gonna wait for another 5 seconds. 17. Okay, great. So most of you are saying sometimes can. Okay, you've taken the middle path, much like Buddha. Okay. Guys, the answer is you can actually add, subtract, multiply, divide irrational numbers. I did not expect you to know it. Okay, there is a way of doing it. It's not like adding, subtracting, multiplying normal numbers. But I just wanted to ask you this question because we are going to be doing that on Monday. Okay, we are going to be doing exactly that on Monday. How do you do certain operations like adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing with irrational numbers? All right. Thank you so much, everyone. I want you all to please do the homework. I'm going to give you the pending homework that you have not done. Okay. There are 2 pending homework.
Ma'am, I finished.
Yes, Anal has done all. Anal, I celebrated for you actually. Your name is like in bold and in green because you've done all. Okay. But most people have not done my other 2 homeworks. Most people have done the test, but not the homeworks. Plus, I'm going to give today's homework. So totally, please make sure that you have done 3 homeworks plus 1 test. Test now, it's too late. I'm just going to give you a 0. But the 3 homeworks you have to finish. Okay, the 3 homeworks you have to finish. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. You all were actually such an amazing class today. I